In today's video, I'm going to show you how to scale objects in Affinity Designer. First, open up your project. Then in the left toolbar, make sure that the Move tool is selected. Now select the object that you would like to scale. You should see a bounding box appear around it. And to scale freely, simply hold the Shift button in your keyboard and click and drag any corner handle. Now, if you want to maintain proportions, simply click and drag on any corner handle without clicking or holding any button on your keyboard. You can also scale numerically in the transform panel and enter the exact width and height values. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!